Hello, this is Selena for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the coffee cup cutout die. This is a single negative cutout die that's part of the Autumn Impressions release. So let's get a closer look. As we said, this is a single die. There's the coffee cup that cuts out the silhouette from your paper. Also, there are three little pieces for the stem that you can remove or you can use them. Those are being cut out individually. The die cut is approximately 2.5 inches in diameter. So you can see here, I die cut for your reference from A2 piece of white cardstock, and I added it to a dark teal cardstock in the background so it can create contrast. You can see it better. So as I said, you can use those the little stem, or you can remove those. Those are optional. You can see you can put the in the center of your card, or you can put it towards the bottom on the left or the right. So now let's take a look at a few samples from our design team. So the first one was a mini slimline. Here we have different A2 size cards, and you can see the different uses of this die. Thank you so much for stopping by, and see you soon. Bye!